We found a cure.
The cure for patient 409.
Yes.
Let's test a cure called the D-1231.
Holy, something's wrong.
Oh shit, he's trying to break out! We need security ASAP! My god!
Holy shit, we did something wrong!
Attention, all personnel. A breach has been detected in Sector 7. Site lockdown will be activated. The site lockdown failed. Site unsecured. Repeat, site unsecured.
Civil authorities has issued a contagious disease warning in all of the state of Texas. It is a fast-spreading virus that infects the host whoever caught it. To ensure your safety, please wear face masks to avoid germs relating to the virus. Make sure you're washing your hands every time you go outside. If you see a person that's infected, call 911 immediately. Stay home until further notice. Emergency armed forces will be deployed to stop the spread of the virus.
Hello everyone. My name is Dr. and this is a report from the Void Jackie Council. As y'all may know, the subject virus is called the D-1231 virus. It's a rapid spreading virus that infects the host immediately. 500 cases were reported in Texas of the United States. Only one casualty was reported, and several severely ill. A bunch of the infected have started to rose up, and it's now spreading the virus. National Guard and armed forces will be deployed to stop the spread of the virus. This virus was originated from an unknown laboratory away from the world, somewhere in. Well, good luck to you all. May God be with you all.
This is Dr. Maynard. We are currently stuck in the lab. We have created what we call D-1231 virus. The subject is trying to break out. We are locked inside our lab, hiding for what is about to come. Stay in, lock doors, and seal windows. Good luck to all of you. This is my last message, or maybe not. But what's about to come is dangerous. May God be with you all.